Hello and welcome to MBTECH. My name is Matthew Bingham, and today we'll be talking about what I run in my home lab. I've had a lot of questions on how I have my system set up, so I thought it'd be best if I actually went through it kind of step by step. I won't go from bare metal all the way up, but at times when I need to upgrade different things, I will go over those parts as well as everything that I list here. I will go over how I have it set up and why I have it set up the way that I do. So first of all, what do I run on my home lab? Here's a list of what I use of the running software and OSs and applications that I run. For the back end or more of the Hypervisor and storage, I use Proxmox and TrueNAS. For the networking, I use Unifi wireless as well as Unifi network devices, and I use a Pi to control all of the Unifi information as a Unifi controller. For the infrastructure, I have Samba AD. It's actually my DNS server for my Bing Lab .LAN network. I'll show how to set that up as well. Windows is optional. The reason why I'm actually showing it here is because I actually use that to connect to the AD, and I thought that might be neat for some people out there. Gives you kind of a graphic user interface. You can do everything within Samba AD, but I thought this might be just a little bit easier. You can, make backups of your DNS entries, and then you can install them back, so it makes it pretty easy for like backup reasons and stuff like that. Next, VM, OS, and application. I am mostly a CentOS OS operating, but obviously since I'm running Raspberry Pis, I do have some Debian versions in there, and I'll also go over the new Bullseye on the Raspberry Pi as well. I also run Docker, and then I also run Portainer. Basically, Portainer is a GUI or a web GUI for your Docker that's underlying it. Within there's also, I believe, called Stacks, and I'll go over that, and that's basically the Docker Compose. Source control, which is very important. I know a lot of people don't use it or don't know how to use it. I'm not going to go into a lot of depth of it, but we'll go over setting that up and then kind of using it with visual code so that you can keep track of all your information that you put in there. The big thing is monitoring. I actually went through all the different things that I use, and there's quite a lot more than I expected. We'll be using Netdata, Grafana for the graphs, Prometheus to actually pull the information, and also a nice little desktop or web interface called Uptime Kuma that you can run as well. Hope you enjoy this, and then I'll go over each one of these as well in more detail when the time comes, and those will be some of the videos that I create from this or from the software that I'm running on here. Again, this is MBTECH. My name is Matthew Bingham. I hope you enjoy the rest of the stuff that I have to show for you guys. This is just a quick slide of the icons of the stuff that I'm actually running on the systems, and I hope you enjoy this, and thank you.